What's up, Dev fam? Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how we can add an image to our project. So the first thing that we're going to need is an image. And we are going to import this into our assets folder. Now I like to have an icon and an images folder inside of my assets folder because I find with all my clients I usually have custom icons and a lot of images to import. So just keep them organized. And now I'm going to go ahead and drag this image into my images folder. There we go. Now to add this into our project, we have to import it into our pubspec.yaml. So let's go ahead and uncomment our assets here. Now it's in our assets folder, even though it's not specified here. We gotta specify it. Assets, images, and then it's icon.png. There we go. Now if you save that, we needed to have this flutter pub get run. It looks like it's pulling in our image all right. Now to pull in that image, we need to, I like to create a class specifically for my images. So I'm just going to go ahead and create an images file. And in that file, I'm going to go ahead and create a class called images. And we're just going to create a static constant variable, and we're just going to call this icon because that's the name of our image. And we're going to make this the path of this image, which is assets images / icon.png. There we go. So we're pulling it in. Now we can go ahead and use this image now. If we go into our main.dart file, inside of our column here, I'm just going to add a container. I'm just going to give it a height of like 100, and then we're going to go ahead and put a child, which I'm going to have image.asset to go ahead and use, and then we're going to import our images class, and we're just going to use images.icon. And now there we go. You can see that we have successfully imported our image. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you feel like this content was valuable, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll have more videos to come. Thanks. See ya.